Hey guys, it's Emily here. Today on my backup account because my main got locked out for ages. Someone give her a gift mail time. She's really naggy, isn't she? What should we give her, guys? I want to give her something good. Okay. And my wierd's MSP, so YouTube. Read my stats. Oh. I'll give her some nice things. No, not that. I'll give her a VIP item. I believe, Sorry, I got some stuff in my head, guys. I'm so sorry I'm talking weird because I've got my hand pressed to my face and it's hurting my face. Pretty bad. Don't wear that anymore. Size now. Ew. That's my cousin who went on there. You see my cousin, jeez. Subscribe to Nicole, please. Beg of you. Yeah. I'm done for today. It's just been a random uploading video. See you guys. Let me just quickly subscribe to the Mia Vids MSP. Wow. Subscribe. So, yeah. See you guys, I'm gonna end the video here.